Can AI ever replace humans, in your opinion?
The small answer is no. Humans are humans.
Right.
Humans think. Machine takes actions. So machine can learn, cannot think. We're talking of the current state. We talk about self-learning, we talk about other things. I mean, AI is not a new thing at all.
Definitely.
AI is something we started from ages.
Yeah.
In 1993, I completed my PhD on AI.
Yeah.
But we had different problems at that time that AI was not taken to that level because of the maturity of computer systems, the speed and data, etc., etc. Now what is happening is that there are two aspects of AI. One is the decision making, which is very limited. Still we need people. We need to make sure that they review
biases and everything else.
Absolutely. And in addition, they need to also understand that automation is not AI. Most of the time, organizations are automating their processes, and they are thinking that they are implementing AI. So AI is a little bit better than that. And of course, you know, humans cannot be replaced by AI. Humans can be added, can facilitate. AI can facilitate humans making the right decision.
So it's actually a value-added relationship between humans and AI.
Exactly.
Perfect.
It can never be replaced.